Hello guys, welcome to our today's tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to register barcodes, that is item barcodes, in the system, and how that will help you at the time of selling or at the time of sale using either a handheld gun scanner or a desktop or a table mount scanner. So the first thing you have to do is you have to ensure that your item is registered in the system. Now, how do we register items? That you can see in our video tutorials on how to add or register new items in JiPOS. So I'll go to the item list that is under products items, and I'll pick one item which is already registered. I'll search for an item called printer. It's already in the list, and I'll just click on that and click edit or view. Once I open an item profile, there's this particular section called SKU. So system automatically generates one whenever I register an item, but then now you want to override this with the actual code that is on the device or on the item. So I'll just delete that. Ensure that my gun scanner, that is the handheld gun scanner, is connected to the computer, and it's a plug and play. You don't need to install any driver. Once that is connected through USB, take your device and scan the code. But then you have to ensure that the cursor is in the SKU field that you can see here. So once I just shoot that, that is it. It will scan and automatically save. You can see the item successfully updated ribbon, green ribbon, appear here. So if I scroll down, I'll see that this particular SKU code has been scanned and saved into the system. So that is the first way of doing this. The second way of doing this, if you have got many items, we have got a template that we normally provide. That is, if I go back to items list and click add item button, we have got the upload green button at the top right section, which if I download this particular CSV template, already downloaded, just opening it in a few seconds. So once you fill in this particular CSV template, we have got a column here called SKU column. So this particular column, whenever you fill your items here, let me say item X, and the categories may be this an electronic, just giving a broad category. The unit is maybe in pieces. Maybe this is verted. The buying price maybe is 100 shillings and the market price is maybe 200 shillings. Now, the SKUs, if you have got this particular list full of items, you just come here and scan. Ensure your cursor is in that particular field. Just scan, and you can see Excel automatically reads this particular information and store it. Then you can proceed entering things like your opening stock and maybe your reorder level, how much or what quantities you want to fill in those particular spaces, and even a narrative if you have. So that is how to fill this. If you are going to have 1,000 lists in this particular Excel, you just do that for each and every item and go back to the system, import through this particular same form or pop-up form that you see. So now that I've already registered this particular item list, if you just go back to manage items, we search for our printer, which is an item. You can see the SKU is already saved here. We want to go and sell and see how this will help us at the point of sale. It's very easy. I just click sales POS. This mainly works with the desktop mode. When I open this page, you'll find my cursor is already blinking at the barcode section. So with my handheld scanner or my or my table mount scanner, I'll just scan the barcode of the item. Oh, but there's an interference with that. Just get back. Once I scan, you see the system automatically pulls this particular information of this particular item, and you can see the thermal printer in pieces is already pre-populated here in the prices, and the system is just waiting for the next item to be scanned so that you can just proceed and sell. So easy. That is how to add this particular barcodes for all the items that you have in your inventory list, either in Excel and import, or edit an item profile and update that particular serial, and you will always sell easily.